Welcome to my personal gym. We don't lift weights here, we lift dust. See this floor? It's screaming for baseboards. And I, wood's noble servant, have come to grant its wish. Today, we aren't just cutting wood. We're challenging geometry itself. Rule number 1, measure twice. Cut once. Curse 3 times. The wall is never straight. Never. It's a law of physics. Your tape measure might say 3 meters, but the wall just laughs and says 3 meters and 2 millimeters. That tiny gap is the difference between a pro job and, well, a disaster. Music maestro. There's something hypnotic about watching that blade go down. It's dangerous, loud, and smells like burnt wood. Basically, it's the best hobby in the world. Fingers first, always. 10 fingers entered the site, 10 fingers must leave. We've reached the final boss, the inside corner. If you cut at 45 degrees but the wall is at 89, you've got a problem. This is where we separate the boys from the men. You either use the coping technique or you use a lot, and I mean a lot, of wood filler. I don't judge. But look at that fit. Chef's kiss. And there you have it. Chaos has been turned into order. Those clips, that smooth wood, they make all that back pain worth it. Your house thanks you. Your fingers thank you. See you in the next unfinished project. Let's get to work.
Chef's kiss. Y ahí lo tienen. El caos se ha convertido en orden. Esos clips, esa madera suave, hacen que todo el dolor de espalda valga la pena. Tu casa te lo agradece. Tus dedos te lo agradecen. Nos vemos en el próximo proyecto inacabado. ¡A trabajar!